Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to install wainscoting on your drywall. Installing wainscoting in your room can give it a lot more character and another dimension, especially if you're wanting to upgrade the house to try to sell it. For this job, we're going to be using a hammer, a stud finder, something to write with, and some paneling nails. First thing we want to do is take our wainscoting and set it up against our wall. After that's done, we're going to take our stud finder and run it across the wall to mark our studs. So we'll take our stud finder, turn it on, and run it across until we hit one of our studs. And we'll go ahead and put a little mark here for where our stud is. After we marked our studs, we're going to take our paneling nails, go about a ½ inch from the top, go ahead and nail it in. And we're going to do that at the top and the bottom of every stud. Installing wainscoting can help you cover up some of that old trim that's been pulled off the walls, especially in those remodel projects. Thank you all for watching, and good luck with this project.